Ayan, so since it is Saturday, kumuha kami ng buko. Ayan, so ito ang buhay sa farm, small farm. Buhay bukid sa syudad. So we have now the buko juice. Ayan, sarap. Sige, biyakin mo na ito. Biyakin mo na itong isa pa. Dali. Ayan pa, oh. Dali. Okay, baka matapon. Slowly. Let us remove the pitcher. Baka matapon. Oho. Ayan. So that is the tipong or the young coconut. Delicious. So guys, you want to have some? Come on. I'll give you coconut. Young coconut. Okay. Ano mo daw na niya? Erog mo ang pakakayo. Ikaw naman kayo. Magyan ko na. Sige. Ako nalugod.
How young is that?
Still good. If you want to make a fruit salad or buko salad. Okay. Nice. We don't need to buy in the market. We have our own coconut tree. So that is one coconut tree and another one. Let us go to the big one here. Yan. And this one, ito marami siyang bunga. Ayan, may bunga. Ayan, madaming bunga. Ayan, ito, bunga. Mabunga. Maraming bungang kahoy dito. So this one is a buko juice. We also have avocado. There. So lots of fruits. Avocado. Also a guayabano. There you go. So see, those are avocados. And let us see the cacao tree. There is also a ripe cacao fruit. Let us see. This one is a citrus. A citrus fruit. That is. Ayan. So let us see the cacao tree. Okay, so that is the cacao tree. See, some are not yet ripe, but there is already one that is ready to By the way, cacao tree, or this is a cacao fruit. This is the raw material used for making chocolate. See, that one, and there. We also have the rambutan. Oh, it is almost raining. It's about to rain. There we have a guava. Fruit. This one is a gabi, a family of gabi that is a laurel, spices used for cooking. And this one, and that one, and this one is a black pepper without fruits. Okay, and we also have, oh, it's raining. This one.